Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt mayonnaise. Whisk Greek yogurt and neutral oil slowly until emulsified, then add acid, salt, and mustard to stabilize. Use room temperature ingredients for best texture and taste. Adjust salt and lemon to balance creaminess and tang. Store in a sealed jar and chill for a couple hours to let flavors meld before serving. Gather plain Greek yogurt, a neutral oil, lemon juice or vinegar, Dijon mustard, and salt. Measure oil slowly to control thickness and keep yogurt at room temperature so it blends smoothly. Start with a small amount of mustard to help emulsify and add flavor without overpowering. Taste and adjust acidity to your preference, then chill to let the texture set and flavors harmonize before using. Start with room temperature Greek yogurt in a bowl and whisk continuously while adding oil in a slow stream to form an emulsion. Once thick and glossy, whisk in lemon juice and Dijon mustard for balance and stability. Season with salt and optional herbs like dill or garlic powder for extra flavor. Transfer to a jar, refrigerate for at least an hour, and then use as a spread, dip, or salad dressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.